The iPhone Air isn't just another sleek Apple release. It's practically a battery with a phone attached. And yes, that's exactly what iFixit discovered when they cracked it open for their latest teardown. For years, iFixit's iPhone teardowns became almost predictable. Apple stuck to a familiar internal layout, so the findings were rarely shocking. But the iPhone Air breaks that pattern, and the changes inside are worth talking about. Here's what stood out. Almost all the critical electronics, including the entire logic board, are crammed into the top section of the device. The rest? A massive battery, taking up roughly 2/3 of the phone's interior. Imagine opening a phone and realizing most of what you're holding is just power storage. And here's the twist. This battery isn't some custom one-off design. It's the exact same unit found in Apple's iPhone Air MagSafe battery pack. In fact, you could swap the battery from the pack into the phone, and it would work just fine. That's a level of interchangeability Apple doesn't usually flaunt. This design choice isn't just about battery life. It's also a clever fix for a notorious problem from Apple's past, Bendgate. Remember when thin iPhones would warp under pressure, damaging the logic board in the middle of the device? By relocating the logic board to the top, Apple has made it far less vulnerable to bending stress. The battery, being more flexible and less fragile, can handle that central position without the same risk. But here's where it gets interesting. Does this mean Apple is prioritizing battery capacity over other hardware innovations? Or is this simply a smart structural move disguised as a battery upgrade? Some might argue it's a sign that phones are becoming more like portable power banks with screens attached. What do you think? Brilliant engineering or just a big battery in a fancy shell?